Hi, I'm Michael Skea, and I'm coming to you today from the towns of Quail Ridge, a beautiful townhome community in southeastern Monmouth County in Wall Township, just 5 miles to the Spring Lake and Seagirt beaches. There are 100 beautifully appointed townhomes here, and we're here at the Model Park. The community is open daily, and we're going to be going through the Davidson model with 2,220 square feet. It's really stunning. Let's take a look. I knew you were going to enjoy the tour of the Davidson model. If you'd like to come and take a look at it in person, please give me a call. I can be reached at 732-272-5898. Thank you.